Alternative advanced septic systems. They're awesome, but there will be a day when they ain't. Wonderful. First back to business. Let's have fun. So what we have here is an awesome Advantex AX20 alternative septic system that services a beautiful mansion in McLean, Virginia. But unfortunately, due to lack of maintenance and likely hydraulic overload, it has failed. The question becomes, what do you do? An E-One grinder station. So here's the skinny. Remember that part where the house is a mansion? Yep, that's where you get something as big as this. A quadplex to service one house. All of them going to a distribution system that heads out to the county main. Problem, this house is covered, the property is covered in absolutely beautiful, I mean beautiful landscape. So then how do you do all this without tearing the whole thing up? Trenchless technologies. Step 1, find the sewer, dig it up, and take it over to the location of the new grinder station. Step 2, excavate and install this monstrosity of a tank. Step 3, get electrical and discharge line through this property, but not in the most direct way, like over there. Nah, let's get special and go around the entire property, like so. Okay, this is where we split. Sewer and electrical came all the way together up to this point. But then we gotta go for the power over there and the sewer over there. Let's check out the power. For context, that's a big box. And now we continue with the sewer. We're gonna come down this way, make a turn at the fence, and now it's 500 feet that way. Okay, not done yet. Still gotta go that way. And all of it done with a little bit of excavation, but mostly trenchless directional boring. Everything looks amazing. And that's how you upgrade from a fantastic alternative septic system that's failing to an E-One advanced grinder station when the options to connect to the county sewer line are available. Booyah! So then the question is, do you have any septic issues, grease trap issues, sewer, water, storm drain issues? Doesn't matter if it needs repair, inspection, maintenance, replacement, or installation. No tricks, no gimmicks, no upsells. Whatever you need, we'll get her done. My name is Ricky Salinas. I'm Freedom Plumbers and Pumpers, Septic and Drain, the home of the Freedom Way. Give us a call, 703-895-4109, and we'll catch you on the next one.